Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing our first performance mod, and it is the first 6-speed 11th gen with a Ktuner. So Jane's at Ktuner got everything set up. We're about ready to go through everything and install this, and install either the stage 1 that it comes with or the stage 2. Looking at around 58 torque, 55-ish wheel horsepower with the stage 2. So let's get going. So we've actually already locked the ECU to the ECU already, the Ktuner. So all that set up, we've registered everything. So basically now we just have to go into the tune portion from Ktuner and upload the stage 2, which takes about 10 minutes of time, give or take. All right, so currently we're doing the setup for restoring the factory tune for the Ktuner. And you'll just see that it's gonna do this. Definitely recommend make sure your computer does not go to sleep during this, or you'll have to redo it all over again. And you should see it in the bottom corner saying updating. Once this is complete, then we can lock the tune. All right, so right now you'll see L15B turbo, 2.2. So we click on that, and that will take you to this page, basically showing all of the different maps that you can upload. So we're definitely going to go with a stage 2 kit. I'll probably play around with a couple different ones, see what we like most. Not going to be getting on the car just yet. I want to let the clutch kind of get a little bit more brake in. We're only at 219, but definitely notice a little bit of the throttle response and turbo ramping on the stage tune. And once we get it broken in finally, I will do a full video on the stage 2 and show you guys some acceleration and spirited driving with the car. All right guys, so once you've done that, you pick your tune, go to tuning, upload tune. It's going to say the battery. We do recommend do not have the radio running. So this will pop up and flash now to the ECU. And we now have it preparing down here, and it should take 5 to 10 minutes. So it's currently resetting everything on the ECU right now. Don't freak out, don't turn off anything. You just got to sit and wait. And once you actually start it up, sometimes these lights could be on. You just got to cycle through, turn it on and off a couple times, go for a quick little drive, they'll go off, so don't worry about them. All right guys, we're about halfway through, and we're going to actually show you the next step. Once it's all done, you've got to follow it correctly, and if not, you're going to mess up the tune. Make sure computer does not go to sleep, because you'll have to do it all over again. All right, we've got it off. Clutch in, brake on. And running perfect. Stage 2 tune. Got everything working flawless. Yes, the hood's open. Ktuner. Good to go. All right, guys, so if you need to order one for your CVT or your 6-speed, go on www.axioninD.com. We've got tons of them in stock. We ship out priority shipping 2-day, pretty much everywhere in the United States. We do ship to Canada for free also. Or just comment, write us an email if you need any help with the setup. We're glad to help. Hope the video helped some of you guys figure out how to set this car up. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We got another mod coming tomorrow. Take care.